Just got something new from Domino's. The what is this? It's like a bread bite. It's got Swiss cheese, jalapeno, diced pieces of ham, cheddar cheese. This is great. I had a little bit of it so far, just pulling parts off by hand and eating it. I haven't actually done a food review for about a year or two now. But anyways, yeah, get this. It's doesn't cost that much, and I've always had, pretty much almost always had pizza delivered to me. It's got a good flavor to it and good texture. It's a little on the greasy side, so I have to sop up some of the grease. There's some caught in there, but that doesn't take away from the yummy, tasty flavor. I mean, this is just great. I'm gonna have to get a fork and really dive into this and eat it. Yeah, I thought, why not try something new? Something to break up the monotony of eating pizza and wings and pizza with brownies and stuff. That's what I usually do when I order from a few of the main big name pizza places. Yeah, but you can see here the melty cheese, the ham, the jalapeno. It's all made to look presentable and of course edible. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna enjoy this. So that is really all for this video. I just thought I would give my 2 cents on this.